with strategic building innovation. Congratulations on the formation of the Infrastructure Financial Data Working Group. And at SBI, we are very proud to be a member contributing to this important initiative. At SBI, we have been a believer in open standards over the last 15 years since our inception. To us, data and open standard are such an important part of what makes the future of infrastructure and the intersection of infrastructure and financial data to be powerful, to be promising, to be able to really meet all the potential that infrastructure and financial data can come together, especially in a world in which artificial intelligence, robotics, and the future of what AI can mean to financial data infrastructure, it's really upon us. And at SBI, over the last 15 years, we have been working closely with government agencies, not only in the US, but with many partners from around the world to look into how to build international standard that allow us to own our data, allow us to be able to find the destiny and find the potential of what open standard can do. And I also still remember that as a Stanford University adjunct professor today, what I started at Stanford with the Center for Integrated Facility Engineering 25 years ago was to look at what industry foundation classes, open building information modeling standards, and building smart could do, even for the Finland government 25 years ago. And what it's really promising is that 25 years ago, what we did as an early pilot with the Finland government, later on with the US federal government, actually turns out to be something that by today, more than 40 countries from around the world it's adopting. We are no longer doing just a pilot project. We are starting to mandate that with many jurisdictions around the world. But once again, these are just the foundation. It's only with interoperability, only with open standard, and now really empower us to look into how financial data, whether it may be financial payment or whether we may be talking about climate resiliency and its impacts on the credit and the value of our built asset, and how we look beyond design construction into the asset management of our critical infrastructure. Those are areas where artificial intelligence, robotics, and really the promise of what construction innovation can do. Yet, why don't we start with making sure that we can talk between financial and infrastructure data? And that's what this working group is about. So we're very proud of it to see what we can contribute with our AI, with our global standards and open standards, and how we can contribute, whether on Earth or beyond. The opportunity is upon us. So thank you and congratulations on the IFD working group formation.